All right, this video will show you how to use the Parabola graphing tool in MyMathLab. So before we get to the tool, we have to do some work to name the vertex, the focus, and the directrix. But when you look at this parabola, the first thing you have to say to yourself is, what kind of parabola is it? Because it is y squared, it is a horizontal parabola. Y squared is horizontal parabola. Also, because that coefficient is negative, it is going to be facing left. And there's no h and k, there's no parentheses here. My vertex is 0, 0. So I like to put a little bit of information on my graph. So it's a vertex of 0, 0. It is a horizontal parabola facing left. How fat or skinny it is, I don't know, I don't care. That's just to give me an idea of the orientation. Now, I will need to find what a is. To find a, we take this coefficient that's in front of the non-squared item, and we solve. Negative 16 equal to 4a. Divide both sides by 4, so a is negative 4. That's important because that's going to help me find my focus and my directrix. The focus is inside the parabola at a distance of 4 steps away. So my focus is negative 4, 0. My focus is negative 4, 0. My directrix is this line back here that is a distance this way of 4 units, which gives me the line x equals 4. And be sure you type in x equals 4, not just 4. So let's get this stuff entered before the graph comes up for us. So it says the vertex was 0, 0. We have to check the answer. Then the focus we said was negative 4, 0. Check the answer. And it says the equation of the directrix. Type an equation. That's a reminder to you to be sure you type in x equals 4. And it's x equals 4 because this is a vertical line. Before we go to the graph, we should find the lattice rectum points. Even though they didn't ask us to do that, we're going to need 2 points to graph this parabola. So here was my parabola. My focus was at negative 4, 0. My lattice rectum is this line that goes right through the focus, and it is perpendicular to that axis. So this point right here is over the same amount as the focus. So that's negative 4, comma something, and we know to get the second number we just double 4 because our a value was 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Now the other one is down here, negative 4 comma negative 8, but I don't need both. I just need one of them. I didn't need to do this one. So there is my lattice rectum point. Now I can go over to the graph. So we enlarge the graph. We have to choose the sideways parabola tool because it is a sideways parabola, not this one, not the vertical parabola tool, sideways parabola tool. And we're going to plot the vertex. We said the vertex was 0, 0. I know for sure I'm on 0, 0 because up there in the yellow it says 0, 0. Then it says click a point to plot a point. So we're going to plot one of the lattice rectum points, which I've got negative 4, 8. So over negative 4, up 8. And I know I'm at negative 4, 8 because up in the upper corner in the yellow it says negative 4, 8. Click, save, check answer, and we are correct. So that's how you use the tool. Find the stuff they ask you to find. But as far as graphing, you got to have the vertex and then find one of the 2 lattice rectum points. The problem may ask you to find the lattice rectum points, but if it doesn't, you need to find one of them to be able to graph.